70. What's up, y'all?
You keep talking about 70, you ain't putting nothing on there yet.
I'm short on cheese.
Shit, all it took was one of them, and you would have been back right on
Can I
cheese.
just pass go, please, normally?
6, nope. Buy it.
Huh?
better
Yeah,
buy it.
I'll buy that.
140. You sure?
Yeah. Nah, can. Just in case you want that, go give it them railroads, you can have that.
Damn. Bought it.
My turn? My turn, right?
Bought it. I give you all three.
Let's
railroads,
see.
you give me
Hold
bought
on. Nuh-uh, we good, bro.
it. I give you all 3 railroads. You give me bought it.
Nah, cause he got the other.
All right, who's on?
It's me.
It's on you? It's
Yep.
all right.
Let me see what I can
Y'all better get that. Go ahead.
Give me 5 houses.
You can't get no 5 houses.
Yes,
Each
you can.
one of your houses costs. Look, read. Let's read. House costs
200 each, right? Yeah.
Right. So for one house,
200 times
it's $200. Another house, $400. 2, 4. So how much? Do you got $400?
Yes, I have 500.
Okay. So how many houses do you want?
Can I get 4?
You maybe can get 3.
200 times.
If you got 400,
You'll be paying $1,000.
look. You want 4 houses.
Uh-huh.
Each house costs 200. How much money do you need?
400.
Each
Don't
house.
post this on Sid Kids. I swear.
No.
I don't.
No, this is good for you.
Yeah, it's just math.
It's just shut up. You know how many houses do you want?
4.
How much do one cost?
200.
Right. So how many? How much? Go ahead. Each house 200.
400. No.
Each house. How
800.
800. Do you got that? So what do you have to buy your house? Some houses. Each one of them costs 200.
Just give me 2 houses.
There you go.
On boardwalk.
That costs $400 for you.
I need some. Yes, 101.
That costs $400.
Oh!
Yeah, the money.
Give me 4 back.
No, you get one back.
No, I'll get 4 back.
You just spent $400. Who is that guy? That's you?
Yeah.
Oh, you in the world of trouble. You in the world of
My
trouble.
turn.
It's on me.
No, I roll again.
No,
I got houses.
Yep, you did. It's
Did
on
I
me.
get my money when you gave me this property?
I did. I gave you 160.
1, 2, 3, 4,
140.
5, 6, 7.
Look at me do these pull-ups.
Leave the racket. Give me my 200, man.
Oh yeah, you do get 200.
I gotta get past him
Ooh,
before I
they
do
fin-
anything.
Okay, hold on.
Where's the ball?
$100 each.
He tweet.
1, 2, 3. So 100, 200, 300 to put 4
Take
on
all
the
of those
house.
off and get hotels.
Then I gotta add another $100. So I'm already at $300. $600 to getting hotels.
You can go first if you want.
3, 4, 5, 6. That's all my money. Go ahead and throw me hotels on that. I'll be broke. Shit. One of you some stepping on me. I'm be pissed if they go.
He gonna
It's on me. I'm gonna be pissed if they go. I need to go to jail somewhere. I need to go to jail.
I'm finna roll a cold 12 or 6.
Oh, go to jail. Go directly to jail. Do not pass go. Do not collect 200.
That bench to
yes!
on it.
$200. Oh yeah, it's over for him.
It's not over for me.
You gotta pay $200.
I understand.
That's game.
That's not game. I still got.
All right.
I got lots of money.
Okay.
I got lots of property. That's 100. 20. 20. 40.
I got over
60,
here.
80. 200.
Scared.
What you 200? That ain't
Bro, I
nothing.
gotta
How much
scoop
money do you
past
have
him.
left?
That wasn't nothing for me.
Okay.
Watch this.
You just, it's on y'all now. Just hold on. I'm
Woo!
gonna show you how much money I got. None. No, that's got it.
No, that ain't it. That ain't nothing. That ain't me. I'm right here.
Damn. How you rolling 9?
Yes!
City. Oh, City is so happy.
I'm
Get
so
a short.
happy.
4,
Seven.
5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah.
Let's go, bro.
Oh, let's go past me.
200.
Get you
Well, I did. Hold on, I just skirt past me. Let me go ahead and do something real quick. Let me get my calculator out real quick.
You don't need a calculator. Your house is costing $100. That's easy.
Oh yeah. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900.
Do
300 would be
multiplication.
nine,
My
right.
goodness.
If you want 3 on
We
each,
use
it'd be
calculators
900.
nowadays.
3, 6, 9.
If you
Just don't roll a 2.
You know you ain't gonna roll no 2.
I don't know.
What's that?
Or 3.
Put them pants on.
What's this give me? This give me 10.
They be playing like I'm a type.
Or 9. 3. It'd be 9 would be 3 on each.
No, I want 4 on. I think I want 4 on each.
Okay, 4 on each would be how much you think?
What's 4 times 4?
4 times 3.
Yes.
12.
1200.
1200.
Oh.
Jeez, and my kid. Oh Lord.
What? Are we stupid?
No, not stupid. I know you ain't stupid, but y'all don't want to do no math.
I know. We use calculators nowadays.
No.
Yes,
What you gonna do about
yes.
money and stuff?
Right.
Just swipe a card? Oh.
Dang, bro. Y'all got me dizzy.
Man. Who's on?
Woohoo! Look at
It's
y'all.
him. It's on him.
Yes, on Sid.
Yeah, roll a 2, please. Roll
If I roll a 2, I'm crying.
it. He nervous.
Yeah,
nervous.
yeah.
That was nervous right there. Yeah.
6.
Let me chill on home. Y'all come. Chill at the crib while y'all come through.
7.
Damn, you got on.
Got through that, man.
Damn, bro.
She just got through.
You have collect 10. You have won a beauty contest.
He ain't gonna school past.
I ain't scooting past nobody.
You want a
My-
beauty
my road's
contest?
been-
Yeah, beauty contest.
Damn, I'm finna be out there.
Period.
Shut up.
I'm about to be out the damn game.
You about to be out there?
Hell yeah, 7. Oh, Pennsylvania. I might be close.
Hey, how
Yeah.
did I just do that?
That's what I said.
No, it's your turn.
Oh,
I said the same thing. Say, where you at? Did you?
yeah.
Yeah, if I get a 2, I'm quitting this game.
Why you got enough money?
Hey,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I'm happy
Oh,
on the
bro,
road.
if I get a 2, I quit.
9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Man,
7,
they
8,
skipped.
9.
You thought you was gonna get him.
I did.
You got enough
Yeah.
money?
Damn,
I don't
both
got
y'all.
no money.
I can't roll a 4. I've
I
been rolling 3s and 4s. 3. 1, 2, 3. I've been rolling 3s and 4s all day.
Oh, yeah, you're
Yeah,
out.
you're out. How
How
much?
much I owe you?
800.
800?
Dang.
All right, hold on. Because I got hotels, so.
He could remove those right now.
No, yeah. But wait a minute. Because it take me.
Wait a minute.
You get half of what you put into the house. So I had to put 4 houses on this. 1, 2,
See, that's
3,
what
4.
we never do. We just end the game.
Yeah, no. I ain't into the game. No. Shit, I got lots of money around. Just hold on. First go your houses and hotels. So I had to put $500 for each hotel. 5, 10, 15. So I can take all of those off and get, what's half of 15? $750.
You do that math. I'm looking.
$750.
And pay me my money.
And pay you what? $800.
Yeah.
Hey, I got no houses, no hotels.
He's sick.
I'm through. I rolled a 3.
Dang, you had to take all of the houses off?
Not to get $850.
All right, my
I
turn.
paid a lot of money for them. 1500.
After
You only get
Dad,
half.
it's your turn.
I
Sit
put
down.
5, 10, 15, 10.
Come on, we gotta go get some
That's a
dinner.
big old roll, ain't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3,
It's
4.
only $175. He won't put no houses and hotels on his stuff.
What's 175?
Bro, I'm short on cheese. This dude crying, wanting.
I rolled a 3, bro.
I don't know what you gotta give me back.
That's crazy.
75.
Nah.
My luck is just
No.
25.
25 something.
Ooh, I hope this helps
You-
you out with your math.
I'm pissed. I just rolled a 3.
Yeah, that hurts.
Y'all just did all that skipping out of the shit, and I rolled a 3. 9.
1, 2,
That's
3,
crazy.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm on short line.
That is fucking insane.
Wow.
You don't
Oh,
go.
I was gonna say.
I was about to be so mad.
Oh, let me run over.
Can I roll a 1? Shit.
Close
I was
enough.
just out of control, bro.
Wait, it's your turn.
Oh no, Sid just went right.
Yeah, it wasn't even on
It wasn't
you.
on me. Yeah, I can still roll one.
No, you can't.
Yeah, I can.
1, 2, 3, 4. Hi. Say no, I'm playing with
I rolled another 5.
Give him his 200 or maybe not.
I was gonna skirt past you again. Shoot.
Damn, man. I rolled a 3, bro.
Go,
I
man.
had the first hotel gun. Nobody didn't stop on none of that shit. 100. Ain't that?
Alright, it's my turn, right?
Yeah, it's on you.
Let me grab 2 more houses, which is $400.
Yeah, good job.
Okay, math, come through. Ooh, I was over here
Oh, he
praying.
threw. Where he at? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
All right, big dude.
Yeah.
2 more houses. It's
I
2
come on,
houses.
sit on.
It's 2 houses, something
Oh,
serious.
he got boardwalk.
Yeah, probably.
Ooh, wee.
It's 2 houses, something serious, though.
What you buying, Sid?
I'm gonna go ahead and swipe a hotel on that.
1, 2, 3. Hotels.
Hey,
You did, and I ain't. I'm
I'm
the
about to
one
be
stepped
sick
on you,
if
bro.
I... Bro, I
I'm
want to
sick,
be...
bro. Y'all just skidded past both of y'all. And I rolled a 3.
Dad, what's the odds of that?
That
Yeah,
nine that I
rolled
rolled
a
was
3.
crazy.
Man.
That was a crazy roll.
Grab me my 200.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Give me a good chance.
Take. Oh, I got it right here. My bad. I grabbed it for you, bro. All right,
Oh,
ready?
yeah.
My bad.
Uh-oh, here comes the money.
What is that?
You have to throw all the $100 bills in the air, and then you
Yeah.
gotta catch them.
Oh, yeah, you might get lucky. That's a new card in the game.
What?
Money ball.
Money,
Take
you wanna
all. Wait. Let me read this.
Nuh-uh, you...
Take all 100 bills from
What
your
you
bank and throw them in the air. Fuck out of here. I'm the banker. I've been the banker. Shit. Oh, the whole time.
We gotta
Y'all
go to a
gotta
clean
get-
area.
I'm
gonna go crazy.
Hey, I gotta read this card. I've never seen this
I
shit.
ain't never seen this. Hold up.
Take all $100 bills from the bank and throw them in the air. All players race to catch them. Keep what you catch and put any bills that land back in the bank. Oh, you gotta catch it in the air.
Yeah, you can't get on the ground.
Yeah.
It's hard. I only know.
So
Oh,
I gotta throw him out.
I usually only get like one, and I'm super tall.
Here.
oh shit.
All right.
I got good hands too.
Shit.
I got good hands too.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Come on, bro.
Let me see how I'm gonna get back in the
Hey, I get my 200. I get my 200.
Oh, okay, here.
My 200.
I'm gonna see how I'm gonna get back in the game. I'm gonna punch him motherfucker.
Hold on, bro. Shit, don't be on that,
Oh,
bro.
no, for real. He's gonna...
Hey, watch that corner thing, man. Bring it up here, cause I don't want nobody to hit the corner of the table. I might knock him
Come
off.
on. Come on. All right, hold on.
Where you go? Why you so far away?
What you doing,
She
bro?
ain't
You
touching
can't
me.
touch me.
All right, don't touch anybody.
Oh, yeah.
I wasn't even ready.
Come on, get
Yeah,
off
throw it.
Bro, stop. You pushing nothing.
Don't push the little kid now.
He out the way.
I just...
You gotta catch it. Me too. I only caught 3. Hey, what you
Now you
got?
gotta pick them all up.
Yeah, you gotta pick them all up, man.
All right, I'll pick them up for y'all.
Watch out. I only got 3.
Let me do that
I
card
think he
again.
picked one up.
Hey.
Ooh,
He probably did.
bro.
That car out in miles for that car.
I've never heard of that, man.
Yeah, boofed me out the way.
I could have had like 5 of them. I got to laugh.
Alright, it was serious. Yo,
It's on you, Lieutenant. No, here's some dad.
Oh my god.
Needed them a couple hundred. Yeah.
yeah, go to
Tommy?
Boardwalker Park place on, bro.
Oh, I'm gonna skip past you.
Okay.
Who was that? Yeah, I gotta go and do that with that little 300. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
he
50,
doing?
60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Let me get 6 houses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ooh, that card came through.
Let me get 6 houses. Let me see if I can catch somebody slipping.
Oh yeah.
Elijah might be out the game. You land on him and me.
What lie at right now?
Let me get 2 houses.
Man,
need
if he
him to-
skip over you again.
Oh, watch this though.
Watch
I
this.
think he finna step on motherfucker. How many y'all get? 6?
6.
Okay. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. We gonna stack. We gonna stack. Cause you gotta have one on each. So I'm gonna go with Virginia. We're gonna put 4 on Virginia. I'm gonna just put 4 on Virginia.
I want to go to jail.
Shut up.
Yeah, I'm gonna put 4 on
Me
Virginia.
too, bro.
I want to go to jail so
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put 4 on Virginia.
okay.
And hope he step on Virginia. Let me put all my money. I got dollars now.
Who's that?
That's the kid.
LAPD 12. This is Los Angeles Police Detective.
Who winning?
Ooh, that have.
Oh, Daddy, you long cash.
Oh, I'm real low, baby.
He trying to help my
I got dollars. I
Alright,
just
so
got
who
me back
is
in
it?
the money with the money grab. I got back in the game with the money grab. Couple houses with the money grab. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm staying alive.
5%.
Who's that? See it?
Yeah.
This you?
Yeah.
Give me a nice little 3 or something.
7.
12.
That's 2.
I needed something.
What?
I needed him to get something like that.
5. Yes.
Oh,
Let's
let's
go!
go! Let's go! Come on!
Bro, why would he do that? To me, though.
5, 6, 7.
Damn.
Let's go!
That's big time roll.
Oh my gosh!
12. I ski past you too.
One.
Oh, no.
Yes, he
Oh.
coming around too.
9.
He the one who paid me last time.
200.
Yes, he in perfect position.
Oh, I'm about to.
That's perfect position right there.
Come on, somebody.
Give me a 10.
Oh, yeah.
Where you
12.
at? 3.
Where you at? I got 4. I'm just
Oh my
saying y'all know. I
gosh.
got
Give
4.
me.
I got 4 on Virginia. Right
Please give me a 2.
I was gonna
Six.
trick you. I was
now.
gonna...
5. I mean, my bad. 7.
Hold on, let me
Hey.
watch this go.
Come on, get a good one. Pay each player 50.
I need
I
that.
need a tattoo. Get that.
Mom, you're still recording?
Yeah, this is a funny game.
Who's on?
What's your hands?
It's on him. No, it's on you.
How we doing?
It's on me.
Yeah, I just went.
Okay, I'm gonna go and throw some more houses on mine.
Bro.
Let me get.
Oh, please don't. Ooh, that was a good
1,
hit, though.
2.
But, man, be
Let me get 2
careful.
more houses.
Bro, I just skirt past.
Let me get 2 more houses. Grab my houses out. 1, 2.
Okay.
Ooh.
Hold on.
Hey, all right.
Hold on. We're gonna go.
Cause he's gonna be 6 right there.
I can change them every row. I can change them how I want to change them.
Oh, you can just change your house?
Yep, you gotta have one though. You gotta be one. Nope. It's on
Be
me.
careful.
Elijah just went.
Uh-huh.
This?
I
Yeah,
had
you
that
just had
chance.
that chance
Go
card.
down to me this time.
Oh, come
Dang, I needed that too. Shit. Was that 2? It went off the board.
Yeah, one of the board.
Oh. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ain't no dang. I rolled a 3 last time. So.
Dang, y'all.
I'm the only one stepped on
Last
my
time I
shit.
had them properties, everybody was.
7, 8, 9,
I
10.
need the broom.
Go to
Hey.
go. Collect 100, yes. Life insurance.
Hey me.
Uh-oh.
Need it.
Let me
Hey.
get past. Oh.
I ain't never come.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
He coming back around.
Collect 300. Cause this one is collect 100.
Dang, I didn't get that card. Huh. Give me 200.
I don't want that.
Yeah, give me 200.
Why?
Cause we
Cause you
going
had the
on.
hundreds right there.
Oh.
What's on? Me?
It's on you.
See, if you land on me,
Might
I'm
be
gonna be
over for me
thankful.
right here.
So
on. What do you?
6. Got it.
You got
See,
it.
land on me, please, brother, please.
Man, y'all is.
Give me 200.
Hey,
Whoa.
What?
I'm
more help,
It's
bro.
on me. You can't do nothing.
I can always move my houses. Go ahead.
Y'all can stop doing that. Not happening. Stop it. Go down there and play tennis.
Oh, we can do.
You on me, honey.
My turn?
It's on you.
I'm gonna get it
Where'd you at?
right here.
I just stacked me up some cash real quick.
You did.
Huh?
8, 9. 1, 2, 3,
Damn.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I told you, you was gonna sick. Somebody ran on the 100.
$50.
$70.
Oh, 50?
Yeah, it's on me though. It ain't on you. All right, let me get 2 more houses.
Man, bro, stop getting out.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Chill, bro.
No, my daddy
Oh,
gave
this dude got 100
Don't
left.
spill that,
And he
Leah.
got Boardwalk and Park Place on the way. And he ain't even go.
Get 2 more houses.
Come on, y'all. We
I'm
hungry.
gonna put 4 on that and then put 2 on that one.
Yeah,
What's on me? It's on me. 10.
Food.
10.
Well, we finna go get some burnt
It's on
ends.
you. It's on you.
If Daddy wants some money on
Please let me pass him.
Fucking
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Is that him?
Yeah, that's me.
Ooh, I'm gonna be sick if I land on him. Oh my god.
Just caught it. Go ahead, roll, bro.
3.
Yeah, bro.
9.
Let's go.
He getting lucky, bro.
Let's go. Let's go. Go. Dang.
He's skirting past the whole block.
He sure live.
Oh, he nervous. He nervous. Land on me.
Man,
I
that's young
think.
weed. Watch out going like a
3 or 4, like me. Fuck, man.
Was it this?
Oh, that's a 10 right there. Y'all don't step on me for shit.
Whoa.
You can't step on me either.
Give me 4.
All right, that's
Let me
enough.
grab that.
Buy that
And then I gotta roll again.
now.
He balling, ain't he?
Oh, yeah, land on daddy.
Land on daddy, you ain't lying. 5.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh my god.
Cheating over there, ain't he?
I don't know what's going on.
Oh
bro.
my god.
Y'all know what's going on, man. This ain't...
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, I'm in jail.
9, 10.
Pay
Yes,
50.
I'm not paying nothing.
Man, bro, you just gotta let me.
I'm staying 3 rows.
But
My
then
turn.
I gotta wait, get shit, and then if yeah, you own
Man,
that.
can I get happy and lucky this time, bro?
Let me roll a 2.
Let you
finna
roll a 2.
12 or something.
9.
Man,
Man.
come
1,
on.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay,
Man.
that's 1 roll for me. Is on you.
I done had these properties.
See, I'm the
One
top.
person land
Yeah,
on it one time.
God. You fucking kidding me, man. No, it's on you.
No, it's on you.
No, I gotta stay 3 rows.
Dang, I ain't even winning. Oh, if I'm in the game no more,
It's on you.
we got more property.
Stop.
This will be 2 rows right here. 4. Who's that? See it? Yes. Woo! About that time.
What you doing?
Yes. Yes.
How
Yes. 700. 700. Need that. Every bit of that.
Hold on.
700. Need that motherfucker right there.
I'm gonna get
You
it
rolled a
back.
double. Yeah, you gonna get it back. But I can pay you now.
Gosh. Come on, live man. I mean, Ace.
Daddy.
They playing a game.
You owe me. You owe me.
Man, ain't nobody been doing that.
Everybody care about that 20. Come on.
Nobody-
Yes, I do. Give me my 20.
Just give him 20 then.
Bro, he didn't probably land it on me and I ain't paid him.
Alright, bro.
All right, come on.
My
It's on
turn.
you. It's on you. Did you? 1, 2, 3, 4,
Stop.
7.
It's a good thing.
Collect 100.
And he just
How you keep collecting?
collect.
This is my 3rd row.
Skip past,
So
skip past.
7. It's on you, then me.
Ooh, bad.
Mason, they go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's on me.
Okay,
Come on, bro.
your bags don't get
Where you at, babe?
That's just perfect position.
Nah.
Thank you. And that's New York.
Damn.
$1,000 don't die.
Now,
There you go.
One bed.
Oh,
I need that bed.
800,
you selling?
900, 1,000.
Yeah.
They owe me 200.
5, 6. You let me too. Yeah. Damn.
Elijah was supposed to step on me.
I
That
need
shit
that doll out.
crazy.
Doll out.
How he don't step on
1, 2,
nobody.
3, 4, 5,
He
6,
coming
7,
around
8,
too.
9, 10, 11, 12.
Wait. Count that over. Where was you at?
Right here. 1, 2, 3,
You was on
4,
first place?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, bro.
Yeah, go ahead, roll again. Another high number.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
100.
Oh,
1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm gonna be so happy with you. Come on, Dad.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Short line. Short line. I am short line.
25.
Yep, 25. Give me that 25.
What's that?
One is 12.
Ooh, that's boring.
No, it ain't. Oh,
7, 8. That is.
That ain't number $600.
Yes.
Could have been done put something on them.
That's what I'm saying. I tried to pay you.
I don't need money from you.
That was 600. Yeah.
That's on you, Blind.
I'm ready. Give me 2 more houses.
Alright, that's for, 2 more houses. $400.
Uh-huh. He coming right there. Come on,
He finna skirt past
That's on you.
Oh.
Oh. Where am I?
Right here. You finna roll the
Drop
ball.
me
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
He's going right past that shit, though.
Sit
Mine
on
too, though.
Indiana.
Oh. Who's on? Me?
Come on, get a low man.
I'm ready to build on
1, 2. I got a 2. How much is that?
Right when he put it on there,
How much?
too. That's a band.
1100. I could come out 1100, but I ain't gonna do it. But I could.
No,
And
give
that's
me my
1,
1100 right now.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
You ain't
7.
got
No, I ain't even got enough more.
I